Sales stages in HubSpot can be found on the deals page, and this will likely match your process that you have in place currently for moving a customer from considering a purchase all the way through to actually making that decision of whether they're going to purchase or they're going to basically push the decision to a later time or not move forward, which would be closed lost. The idea here is that you want to have strict criteria for when something becomes an actual deal and actually enters your sales stages. Traditionally, this would be a discovery meeting would be scheduled with your AE, all the way through to then being marked as either closed won or closed lost. Within your pipeline here, you also have particular stages. These should match discrete portions of your sales process and should match what's happening from the buyer's perspective, not what's happening from the sales perspective. So in this case, you'll see here we have appointments scheduled, we have qualified to buy, presentation scheduled. All of these are specific actions that are happening on the buyer's journey. And typically, we also want to include entry criteria. You want to have very specific entry and exit criteria for each stage to show that the deal is basically moving through the process throughout this time. It also makes it much simpler so that way you don't have to wonder should a deal be in this stage or not. And it also helps to create gates to make sure that your sales team is following the process properly.